So after all the morning chores, we vacated the property and we are heading back home. And then we saw, yesterday we missed out this hike when we were walking yesterday morning because this was too steep. So we thought, okay, we'll do it now. It's Mariners, look what it's called. It gives a full view of Apolo Bay, town, the port, and a short distance walk. Small waterfalls on the way. Coming up. Let me try. If it's wet, my shoes are already wet. It is freezing. Self-employed. ನೀನು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ See the car there? That's B100, Great Ocean Road. That's around 300 kilometers of 300 to 360 kilometers long. And it runs all the way, all right next to the ocean, with wonderful, beautiful views all the way. So that's Apolo Bay. The one we did sunrise this morning is there, one of the that's where we did the sunrise on one of the barges. We saw all the boats. That's where it this morning, and we went to the other beach and came back to hello ಮಾಡ್ದ ಹಿಂಗದ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yesterday morning we walked all the way and over there where there is a river that runs under the bridge. We got some videos from under the bridge where the river joins the ocean. That's where now I see a small car coming. That's where we walked yesterday morning. It was 8 kilometers from our accommodation. That's the Big Four caravan park. Now every single accommodation is for holiday makers. Apolo Bay is very, very famous for holiday makers. And yesterday was showing where they do the paragliding, parasailing. It's all up near that mountain. One last time, the view of Apolo Bay. My mob is going up front there. This time around I didn't get an opportunity to introduce them all. That's because all my walks were done by me and my mates alone. They didn't join for most of the walks except for one or two. So we'll catch up next time when in some other walk they're gonna be doing with me. Still on a Great Ocean Road, and we are on a break, a small little break, tiny break in Aries Inlet. This place is called Aries Inlet. Come to Great Ocean Road. This would be our first stop coming from Melbourne, looking at the lighthouse. I'll show you in a minute. So we are having a toilet break, and I didn't have a good coffee this morning, so I'm having a good coffee today. One of my friends here. Hi. Look at that. He ran away. That's the lighthouse over there. There is Inlet Lighthouse. That's one of the first stop or the visiting place. I left the mob and came to the beach to look at this one. Look at this formation. It's been formed from millions of years. This is how the 12 apostles as well been formed, which we're not gonna go see today, which because we have passed. It's another 100 kilometers from Apolo Bay where we stayed, and we look at the apostles, 12 apostles, and come on the other way, view it, and we would go, but we never came down to the beach. So we have been driving down the mountains and coming from probably where we came around 100 kilometers or more, right under the coast. Right on the coast, so you would have seen all my video or the before clippings. There was no comment window, but the picture speaks, the video speaks for everything. Look at the surf. Now it is a surfing place as well. There are not people surfing here today, but this is the surfing area as well. So, look at that water gushing out of sea and returning. So it's creating a small island here. Okay, we laid back. We have stopped in the town for a coffee or fish and chips. The kids will be having them. I came in to look at the beach. Now see, I'm heading back. Came from that beach. This the backwaters. That's the ocean is pushing this way. There are plenty birds life, and there's a lot of fish as well. So the man catching 3 fish by the time I went to beach and come back. There's a lot of them. Surfboard aisles.